Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we have a look of stellar XLM. What's the prices goes in stellar XLM, what's the next target of stellar XLM, and what is the current status of XLM coin in the cryptocurrency market. And this video I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency markets friends. As you can see now on the screen, that is live price prediction of the XLM coin of the last 1 hour. That is the currently change occurring XLM coin in the last 1 hour. You are watching now on the screen friends. The change occurring XLM coin in the last 1 hour is about 0.29 percent change occur in XLM coin positive, and friends a good change occur in XLM coin. But unfortunately, if we look the current status of the XLM coin, so currently they are in the fast mode, as you can see here. And now friends, if we look the at the previous hours, they take previous minutes they take a high explosion, but unfortunately in the last of this hour they fast occur in the XLM coin friends. Now if we look the high price of the XLM coin in the last 1 hour, so the high price is about 0.6208 USD dollar is the high price of XLM in the last 1 hour friends. Now let's check it out the last 1 day price prediction of the XLM coin, and we detect that what's the next target of XLM coin. Oh my god, what's this? I can't believe this changes occur in the XLM coin. As you can see here, the very bad falls occur in the XLM coin, continuously falls occurs in the XLM coin friends. Now friends, if we look the price predictions of the XLM coin, so the change occurred in XLM in the last 1 day is about negative 2.29%. Negative change occurred in XLM coin, really bad change. And the high price of XLM is about $0.6519 USD dollar is the high price of XLM coin friends. So as you can see here, the continuously fast occur in the XLM coin in the previous hours, in the previous days they are trying to take a jump, as you can see here, and a lot of time they take a high jumps. But unfortunately, in the previous last 1 day, in the previous last 4 hours, they continuously falls down friends. So friends, don't worry about this falls, because after a great falls there is also a great jump friends. Now they are in the farming mode, so soon their big jumps are coming soon. So they are in the at this time they are in the fast. That's mean that after some time they take an explosion. The jumping time of the steerer XLM at this time, and after some time they start a high explosion, and that will goes upward. The change has become a very soon positive friends. And the next target of the card XLM coin is to hit a $1 USD in the April. That is the target of XLM coin, to hit a $1 USD in the April. What's your opinion about this target of the XLM coin? Please share your opinion in a comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and urgent updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.